recent years and allows teams to use the space on the pitch. And the away team have gone with this lineup. Referee gives his match away. Felix. Dribbles with the ball. That pass could have been better.
কাইটটা কইটা তারপর আমি বহামু যে গোলটা আগে গোলটা বহামু
Moving it nicely. He failed to connect with that tackle. This player is taking charge and moving down the flanks. Moving down the flanks here. A short goal kick there. Felix drives forward and he turned in tackle. Pulls the trigger. That strike was off target. The player stares at the floor. He knows that should have been a goal. Goal kick taken short. That's nicely played. The fans are on their feet. And it's opened up here. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. That's well out by the defence. It's a throw-in. Mischallenge there. Keeper's ball. He comes forward with the ball. That's a great ball in. He's missed and it hits the side netting. Wide of the mark for the player. Let's take another look at it. The passing has been so accurate. He's in the clear and going for goal. That's offside by the Sinister Martins. Much happened then in the first half. Will we see goals in the second? Players and the fans are ready, so this movement continues. He's charging down the wing. Strong tackle. Played back. Played in field. Here's the shot.
Goal.
A great goal there. Here's how he found the net.
10 নম্বর নিছি
দেখ কত বল করছে
10 নম্বর নিছি কই
And the manager's making a change here. Felix. Oh, that's out of play. Ball is up, new players coming on. He's darting forward, using the width of the pitch.
Teacher,
Oh, it's a clear chance. An expert tackle.
আমি শুটটা মারি
বিতে মার বিতে দে তুই বিতে দে
The short pass to the keeper. Won the ball. This team looked eager for more goals, and it's looking likely they'll get them.
বল পাইলাম শুট তুই কিনতে পারবি মেন্ডারে মেন্ডার এসে বলবি সেটা
আমার প্লেয়ার কি করে
Safety first, back to the goalkeeper. Waiting monitor. They're doing all they can to salvage a point. Looks like the opposition must not try to get back into the game.
লাইক দে কি স্ট্রাইক করে দিয়েছি
That one looked like it
হেলথটা দেখো না হ্যাঁ
unleashes the shot. Well, he needs to be hitting the target from that distance.
আমি দেখতে পারবো কত লেগেছে দেখুন করে
Gale. This is the player who's making it all happen. Lovely passing here. There's 3 minutes to be added, just time for a goal perhaps.
অনেক দৌড়ে
Well cut out.
দেখি আমরা দলে একটা মানুষ খেলতেছে না আমরা দলে
The referee ends this low-scoring game 1-0 the result.
সামনে